Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing version 2 of the Minecraft TNT and Lightning bow. So in the last video you guys commented a lot more than I expected, with a lot more feedback and suggestions. So I decided for this video I would include some of them just to show you guys how to do it in this new version, because the last one was for 1.14. Minecraft is updated to 1.15 now. I noticed you guys were having some issues too with the last one. So that told me it was time to make a new one. Enough with the talking, let's get right into the video. Okay, so just like last time, this is going to be with command blocks, so you probably won't be able to do this in survival. Because survival, I don't think you can use commands unless you have it set to. So you're going to want to do /give @p Minecraft :command _ block. Press enter or return, and you will get a command block. Now you're going to want to find a place to place these commands. We're going to make a stack. So let's place the first one. The command block and make sure needs redstone is set to always active, and impulse 2 times and it becomes repeat. And we're going to type in the following command: execute @e type equals arrow, comma, and bt equals 2 curly brackets or braces, whatever you call them, and then inGround, capital G, colon 1b. So this is saying at wherever the arrow is that's in the ground, we're going to say run summon TNT. There, press enter. And that's the first command done, and then you'll want to go up on your stack, jump, and hold shift and click so you can place it. Turn impulse to chain and needs redstone to always active. We're going to do the same thing, so we can copy this command and paste it in here. Set this to chain and always active, and we're going to take this string of text and we're going to delete this part, and instead we're going to put kill. So after it summons the TNT, it is going to kill the arrow once it's in the ground. And because this is a chain, this one right here is going to go first, and then it will kill the arrow, so it doesn't keep exploding. So last part, to have the basic functionality of the TNT bow, make sure to stay tuned for the lightning bow. We're going to say game rule command block output false. Just like last time I said, this will make it so that the chat box doesn't spam with messages from the game of the command blocks. So let's get a bow or a crossbow or whatever you like, because now all arrows that are being fired are TNT bows. Boom. So you can fire this anywhere you want. Once it hits the ground or a block, it will explode. As you can see, it works flawlessly. So this works, I believe, like I said earlier, if we just make it nighttime. This works with all entities. So if we put a skeleton here and we go into survival, let's put a skeleton here. Let's see if you can hit the ground. Yeah, see, it explodes. So now your game is a bit harder. So let's just set it back to day, and I will show you how to turn it into a lightning bow. So instead of TNT, we're going to just say lightning bolt. And there we go. Now it's lightning. So let's get this creeper. Now you have to hit it, do it next. Fire at the creeper next to him, so the arrow doesn't get absorbed. So there we go. And now we can add some extras onto it. So stay tuned if you want some more functionality to your bow. Okay, so we're gonna take a chain command block, place it above it, and we can say we're gonna take this execute command as well, because we're gonna do the same thing but change it a little bit. We're gonna delete the summon part and this inGround 1b part, just so it says at E type equals arrow run, and now we can give it a particle effect. So let's say when we want to do a flame, so we'll give it the position. We'll put 3. I think these are called tildes, and we'll give it some movement in all directions. And we're going to say maybe we want to go the particle to go away sort of slowly, and we want 5 particles each tick, and we're going to say force. So now it's a fire arrow. So that's pretty cool. If we want to make there to be an effect for when it hits the ground, we're going to take this command, press done, and we're going to place another chain command block and put it on the top with that kill command. In here, we're going to get that execute command, and we're going to change the summon to particle. Let's say we want to be a flash. I think that's, yeah, it's called flash, the particle effect. And 0, 0, 0, we don't want this to move at all. The speed, we'll put it slow, same as the last one. We'll put 2 and force. Actually, let's put 5. And now when it hits the ground, psh, little flash. We can change that last particle effect to anything we want, like maybe a cloud. Maybe we want to give it a little bit more movement. And let's speed it up a bit at 100. And now you get a little, I don't know, fizz. Let's turn this up a bit, maybe to 500. Be a little bit more laggy. There we go. Let's change this back to TNT just to show you it will still work the same way. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.